Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 tan t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 9 tan t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. So tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square. So we have the power 2 in here. This one we have 81 secant of t to the power of 4. Now we need to simplify 3 secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 27 go outside. So this one we have cosine t square dt. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine t square equals to cosine 2t plus 1 over number 2. And now we need to change this one into this one. So number 2 and number 27 we put outside, and we have 54. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, so that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. That is the end. Thank you for watching.